Hey guys, it's Maddie West.
Hey, and Ryan O'Brien, hi.
And earlier this week, you guys chimed in on Facebook about weird food combinations that you guys love that other people just don't get. And so I guess we decided to try some of these.
Yeah, that was kind of the idea.
For whatever reason.
We're going to try peanut butter and Dorito sandwiches, Doritos and cream cheese.
I think that will be my favorite.
And then M&M's and regular old Fritos.
Okay.
So do you have a preference? I feel like this one, should we save it for last?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to do first?
Let's do Doritos with cream cheese first.
Would you like a knife or you just want to run your...
I was just going to scrape it.
Go for it.
Okay.
I mean,
it's your cream cheese.
I don't care.
Oh.
Got it?
Oh.
That's why I thought,
Yeah, okay.
it's just breakable. All right.
Are we waiting for each other?
No, you can go ahead. Just don't tell me what you think. Yeah. Oh, crap. This is not working. This is not working. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I'll make a little Dorito sandwich.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. I
like it.
There is a... It's kind of like the pretzels and cream cheese that I eat at home. I'm down with that.
Yeah,
That's
I like
a good
that.
one.
I like cream cheese and I like chips, so...
Let's do... Here's a package of M&M's.
Okay.
So M&M's and some Fritos.
Kind of like a trail mix type stuff.
Yeah, that's kind of the way I took it.
I don't really like Fritos though, so I don't know how this is going to go.
Well, why don't you please? Ladies first.
Okay, so I guess I'll do, what, a couple M&M's?
I'll just do, yeah, a handful. Oh, you put 2 M&M's on there? I'm like all in. Let's go.
I have a small mouth.
Well, I have a big one, so there we go. All right.
I just don't like Fritos, but I will have more M&M's to kind of drown that out.
At the risk of being rude and talking with my mouth full, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I'll keep my Fritos and my M&M's separate.
Yeah, same.
Now, this is the one. This is the one that worries me, but we're going to do it.
Just peanut butter, not jelly, right?
Right. Peanut butter and Dorito sandwiches is what we were told.
Okay.
And that can be yours.
Should I, like, crumble them?
I'll leave that to your discretion.
Oh, I'm making a mess.
That's all right. Man, you went all in. Let me grab some of these here.
I can't believe you're making a pregnant lady do this.
I would think this would be right up a pregnant lady's
Yeah, I guess
alley,
that's
to be
true.
honest
Who
with
knows?
you.
I might
I'm
be
surprised you haven't done this
Wake up in
already.
the middle of the night and be like, I need peanut butter sandwiches.
I need
with
peanut butter and Doritos right now.
Okay.
All right. Cheers. I don't want to vomit, which is a good thing.
Right. It is good peanut butter, like you said.
It is good peanut butter.
I don't hate it.
No, but I wouldn't eat this all the time. There's the two flavors are meshing together, but not in a way that makes me grossed out.
Right.
But not in a way that makes me go, I found something new here.
I'm all for salty and sweet. That's why peanut butter and jelly go so well together, so let's leave it at peanut butter and jelly. I'm not crazy about it.
Yeah.
I do like spicy nacho Doritos, though. I've never tried them until now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's all the only kind we buy.
I try not to get chips.
All right,
so
well,
thanks for that.
I really honestly thought this video was going to end up with one of us throwing up, namely the
I don't know.
the
Give it a
pregnant
minute.
one.
Give it a minute.
So, I'd say my favorite was the Doritos and the cream cheese.
Yeah.
I would recommend that. This,
Same. I'm still going to eat the M&Ms, though.
Absolutely.
Just the M&Ms.
Absolutely.
Oh, you're still eating.
I'm not finished. I'm not going to waste it.